y'all, it's your girl Kurlie Keke and welcome back. Now in today's video we are going to be installing these 30-inch Rih locks. Now this here was sent to me by Exodus Beauty. Exodus Beauty is an online Afro-Caribbean hair and beauty supply store where you can find lots of products ranging from hair and accessories and a whole line of stuff. So be sure to check out their website at www.exodus-beauty.com, where you can see everything on their website. You can also check in the description box below where you can find the link to their website. Now once again, as I mentioned, I'm going to be installing these NalaTress Premium Edition 30-inch Rih locks, and I'm pretty excited about these locks. This is the locks. I just wanted to show you the locks out of the package. So this is what it's looking like, and it's already pre-looped, as you can see. Now the locks are really thick and juicy. Like, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but just look at these. You get 8 locks per pack. Now it sounds like a little bit, but because of the size of these locks, that is completely understandable. These locks are all from the Janet Collection NalaTress line, and once again, this one is the Rih locks. Let me give you a close-up on the locks. Like, look at these. For the install of this here, I'm using some spring twist here to sort of create that extra piece so that I can wrap around my hair and eliminate having a knot. So I'm crocheting the spring twist here onto the loop of the lock itself. For this step, you can use any type of afro kinky hair. So you can use spring twist, Mali hair, any type of afro hair is going to work for this. And you don't want to wrap the roots too tight, because you want the hair to fall and you want it to be nice and, well, free fall, nothing too tight. So this is what my hair is looking like once I am done. Let me show you the length of this hair. So it's, oof. In total, I used 3.5 packs of the locks, and this was done in the shade 1B. Now, if you want your hair to be a bit fuller, all you have to do is part smaller and use more locks, and you're going to get that fuller look. For the hair, you can already style the hair in many different styles that you like, and it's not tight at all. And you just pin the hair so that it hides. You can already put some up. If you like, you can leave it all down, but I just wanted to show you that you can do a lot with this hair. You can always utilize your center part and hold your hair back. If you like, you can pull it to one side as well. Use some pins to secure and you know, try this style. You can put it up in a bun. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for staying till the end. Don't forget to hit that subscription button below the video if you have not yet subscribed to Exodus Beauty's channel. And also don't forget to check them out at www.exodus-beauty.com to see all the products and everything that they have available on their site. So guys, until next time,